Hello everyone and welcome once again to this channel. So here we're going to answer a question that has been on the mind of some people. Those who have had malaria can testify to this. When you have malaria, one of the things that happens is that you begin to shiver. You experience these chills, this shivering, and so people are asking, what is responsible for that? Why do we shiver when we have malaria? Now the truth is, shivering or chills are a common symptom of malaria. And for those of us who do not know, malaria is caused by a parasite that enters the bloodstream through the bite of an infected mosquito. And once this parasite enters the bloodstream, it infects red blood cells and then causes these red blood cells to burst. And when these red blood cells burst, toxins are released into the bloodstream. These toxins come from the parasite. So when the red blood cells burst, the toxins are released directly into the bloodstream, and this release of toxins into the bloodstream give rise to what we have as fever, chills, and other flu-like symptoms. Meanwhile, we all know that we shiver when the environment is cold. So basically, shivering is the body's way of generating heat when the environment is cold or when the body is cold. So when we have malaria, this is what happens. Your body temperature begins to fluctuate rapidly. Remember, we are warm-blooded animals and we are expected to have our body temperatures fairly constant and not changing. The normal body temperature of human beings is about 37 degrees Celsius, around that range. It's not supposed to drop beyond that. But when this happens because we have malaria, the body needs to do something about it. So what shivering does is to help to generate heat and to combat the infection, the malaria infection. So the shivering that occurs as a result of your body trying to warm up itself helps to fight this infection, and this shivering comes as a result of our muscle contractions. The muscles contract and by so doing generates heat, and the process by which heat is generated by muscle contraction is known as thermogenesis. Meanwhile, it's important I add here that besides shivering, there are other symptoms of malaria. You have fever, you have headache, you have muscle aches, and also fatigue. So if you suspect you have malaria, please do not stay back at home and treat yourself. It's important to seek medical attention promptly because this disease is a killer. Okay, do not treat it with kids' gloves. So my guys, if you think there are other information we need to know about malaria, please hit the comment section and let us know about them. Until we meet again in our next video, kindly subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to like this video and click on the notification bell so that the next time we post a video here, you will be the first to see it. See you later.